This video clip is addressed to Mr. Nicholas Bathurst of Clyde & Co. I am aware that you have been approached by the Board Assurance Officer, Mr. Barclay Young of Colchester Borough Homes Limited, about a claim. Can I just say I haven't yet made any claim. It's not sure why Colchester Borough Homes have approached you, although I believe they have approached you for advice. I'm then at a loss as to why you would be writing to me when you are representing Colchester Borough Homes and advising me what I can and what I can't do, what is fact and what isn't fact. I would ask, have Colchester Borough Homes actually forwarded to you the cause of action regarding any future claim? I would imagine that that is unlikely because they've actually declined to meet with me to discuss the situation, or indeed look at the document that I have actually forwarded to them. They've asked me to collect it. Okay. I am advised this afternoon that you're going to be writing to me again. Have written back to you 2 or 3 times just recently. The question is really, for what purpose are you needing to advise me? That doesn't seem wholly appropriate, considering that you are actually representing Colchester Borough Homes, or they have asked you to represent them. Can I just refer to your last paragraph of your last letter dated the 25th of September. We remain firmly of the view that all aspects of loss and damage flowing from the flooding incident on the 24th of June 2005 and thereafter, I'm assuming that means other floodings and drainage issues up until 2009 when it was sorted, were pleaded by way of your particulars of claim dated the 25th of June 2009 and concluded by way of the court order dated the 19th of July 2011. Yes, I agree with you. I am also firmly of the view that these issues are settled. You go on to say, we are thus further of the view that any efforts to effectively reopen this claim against another party are both unwarranted and inappropriate. I'm not sure what Colchester Borough Homes have actually told you, but I am not seeking to reopen the claim. The claim is settled once and for all. You then go on to say that we are thus further of the view that any efforts to effectively reopen this claim against another party are both unwarranted and inappropriate, and it is for this reason that our client requires you to place any claim before the court rather than seeking to pursue the same in a different guise by way of an internal process. I'm not sure what Colchester Borough Homes have actually forwarded to you or communicated to you, but I categorically confirm that the claim that was pleaded on the 25th of June 2009 regarding water damage and issues arising from that water damage and drainage issues were settled on the 19th of July 2011. There are various issues now regarding misrepresentation to third parties over that 6 years whilst I was waiting for the claim for water damage to be settled. Officers of Colchester Borough Homes and Colchester Borough Council misrepresented me unbeknown to me, and also they provided and misrepresented information to the solicitors and to Zurich and to the court. You do also say in your letter, when I brought these issues up last year, you say we have pointed out to you the costs and disbursements relating to the case, and that the case is the misrepresentations were not directly relevant to the claim for water damage and would indeed be dealt with separately by the court. This is now what, over the last year, I have been attempting to address with Colchester Borough Homes officers and officers of Colchester Borough Council. Unfortunately, they are declining to do so. Currently, they are still writing to me to say that the issues of misrepresentation and false witness statements have actually been compensated for, but we know better. So we have it there. I am informed that you're going to be writing to me again. I'm not seeking your advice, so please don't write. I am beginning now to feel that this is bullying and harassment, and if you continue in this vein, then you will leave me no option but to contact the Law Society. The issues that the issues that are relevant are between Colchester Borough Homes, Colchester Borough Council and myself, until such time as it becomes necessary to place those issues before the court for resolution, as was the same with the water damage. Can I ask you now if you would just deal directly with Colchester Borough Homes? It appears to be them that are seeking your advice, but they need to fully let you know the implications and exactly what's going on before you're going to be able to do that. Thank you very much.